Hiya fellas, this is our second video. As you can see, I've done a lot of off-camera work. Actually, it wasn't that much, believe it or not. The pieces were huge to put on there to begin with. But yeah, it went together really good. There's a few seam issues you got to deal with here, like right in here. I'm probably gonna have to putty those up a little bit, smooth those out. But other than that, I mean, it turned out really good. Get this around here. You look at the cockpit again. I got the ejection handle. I got to do some touch up with the black and the yellow on there. When I hit it, actually I got some glue on top of it, so it kind of messed it up a little bit when I was trying to glue it down in there. Spinning around here, we got our mid-air refueling nozzle, and it's fully functional. Well, like that, I guess. All right, come back here. Got our tail section done, and I'll go ahead and flip it underneath here, and our wheels are tucked neatly up inside there, and they do pop out. It's hard to do it with one hand, but once I get it balanced with the wings and everything, I'll put them back out. And there's our front wheel, that actually pops up and is movable. This actually comes up too. So yeah, a lot of moving pieces on this. So what I'm going to do next is I've got my engine nozzles. I went ahead and primed them with some black paint, and then I'm going to go ahead and weather these, and then I'll get them put on right there, and then on the other side. And I'm not sure what we're going to do after that, but I will go ahead and get these weathered up, make them look like burnt iron, I guess is what I'm going for. Get them on there, and I'll be back. Alrighty, and we're back with our painted nozzles. Here we go. Look, I was going for here. Larger nozzles, and here's the smaller ones. Yeah, I think those are going to work out really good. Alright, I will be back. I'm going to get them test fitted on the Harrier here. Hopefully I can take them on and off, because when I go to paint this whole thing, I'm going to be kind of a pain to mask everything off. But we'll see. I'll be back. Okay, we're back and we got them on. I actually put the wheels up and it actually balanced out for a change. Alright, so they do twist. Whoop. I guess it's not as balanced as I thought it was. Anyways, there you go. Alright, I don't know what we're working on next here, but this is what we got so far. Let me spin this bad boy around. Gonna kind of get a good look at the front here. Get it to balance again. There we go. That's what we got. I will have the part snipped and we'll see what we got to do next. I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back with what we got next here. Looks like we're going to be putting the wings together here, and I've already painted the main cockpit display there flat black, and then I've got over here, I've got the decals that we're going to be sticking on it, and we've got our wing wheels and our other set of wing wheels. So we're going to get all this stuff put together, and when I get it done, I'll be back. Alright, and we are back. Here's what we got done. We got our first wing wheel done here. It's going to be kind of hard to do this one-handed, but it does flex just like the other ones. Same with that one. Got it mounted inside there. And then we've got our main cockpit display done here. You can see that too well or not, but yep. Got all that done. We're going to go ahead and get that mounted, finish getting the wings taken care of, and I will be right back. Hi fellas, we are back. We've got the wings done. As you can see, I got the wheels up inside there, and we'll spin it around here. And we've got our flaps, which I do believe they work. It's, again, kind of hard to do with one-handed, but yeah, they do come up and they do adjust a little bit. So they do adjust, so that, I really like that. So I am going to get this on the main fuselage, and I will be back. Alright fellas, we're going to go ahead and end the episode here. Here's what we got done. Got our cockpit fully assembled. Spin around here. Come down here. Got our engine nozzles on. Got our wing on. Yep, we're going to call this one good. So if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and give me a like on this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And leave a comment. Let me know how this looks, how you think it's doing. And I will see you in the next episode.